Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So last week I started learning Python, and I've actually started working on a project, and I got stuck on the very first step because of this error, permission error and permission denied. And ironically, I did try my best to find solutions on the internet, and I could hardly find anything that works. So I found um, the issue was this is normally, if you go to YouTube, people, I normally talk a lot about Alex the Analyst. If you watch his videos on pandas and Python, you'll find it just says import pandas as PD data frame equals to so forth, so on and so forth. So, but it doesn't really tell you where he's getting his let's say directory from, right? So you get to struggle. So for my case, I was just going this is where my file was stored. I wanted this file. So I was just clicking here and copying, and then I would use this to paste right here. Yeah. So of course, in this modern era, anytime you get these errors, our first savior is ChatGPT. So when we go ahead and copy this error and we post in ChatGPT, of course, ChatGPT will give you solutions, right? It will explain to you why the error is coming and so on and so forth. So this was my first step. This is what I did, number one. So make sure the file path you provided is correct. Ensure the file or directory exists, and then it talked about permissions and so on. Check if you have the necessary read permissions for the file, which I think these are all very important things. And actually, your errors are coming due to one of this, if not a combination of this. So yeah, it is giving quite some number of solutions. So the one I quite didn't use or understand was this one. I couldn't. I don't know. I'm not like very knowledgeable in these things. I was just a beginner trying to learn Python, and so I couldn't do this. So for permissions, I tried to check the file, continued, and did change the permissions to read and write, all those. Yeah. So the issue I found was the way I was initially uploading the file was just wrong. Um, so you can see this. This is not giving me the file. This gives the location, gives me the location of this folder. This folder is called project files. So if I click here, you find that this stops. Even if I click on that and I click back up there, it still gives me, it stops on the folder itself, doesn't go to the file. So to do that, our file is called jobs in data. So I think so all you have to do is add on the part of the file which is jobs in data. So let's try again and run this. So again, it's still saying file not found. So I did try that. It also failed. It could fail for you. But then the other thing you could do is upload the file to your workbook. So let's go upload. Let's go to desktop, project files, and then jobs in data. So let's say upload. So now we have jobs in data. So let's go back to and we try to upload. This time we're just going to say data frame equals to pandas.read cvs. So we forgot to say actually .csv, sorry. So let's try that and see. Let's try this and see if it works. So I think now it has processed, and we can now check. Let's say top 5. So now you can see it actually read the file and it came out. So I think going to your home page and uploading the file really helps. It makes it's very easy for the Jupyter notebook to read the file. So that is how I finally figured it out. And yeah, I hope this helps you.